Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the DirectX 12 error in Forza Horizon 6. The first thing you should do is update your graphics driver. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, whether you have an NVIDIA, GeForce, or AMD Radeon graphics card, and download the latest driver available for your model. Install the driver, restart your computer, and then try launching the game again. If the error is still there, temporarily disable your antivirus or other security software. Sometimes it can prevent the game from accessing important files. Next, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Forza Horizon 6 and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check your installation and automatically replace any missing or damaged files. Wait for the process to finish, then launch the game to see if the DirectX 12 error has been fixed. If the game starts normally, remember to turn your antivirus protection back on. To prevent the issue from happening again, open your antivirus settings and add the Forza Horizon 6 game folder to the exclusion or exception list. This allows the game to run without being blocked while keeping your computer protected. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.